Hello, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to use the REDCap mobile app in order to collect data remotely. So using our iPads, we first, in order to connect to REDCap, if you have not VPN'd in already, you would need to use the AnyConnect app. And here you can use your GatorLink username and password to connect to the UF network, and doing this will provide you access to the form in REDCap for data collection. All you would need to do is turn on the AnyConnect VPN. You're going to enter your password along with username. Once you've logged in, you should see the VPN icon appear in the top right corner. Now that we're VPN'd in, and if you already do have a VPN connection and have the forms loaded, you can skip this process and begin by just accessing the REDCap application, as you can see right here. Most of the tablets are going to have a code of 032020 to log in. The usernames are already created. Once you log in, you should be able to, you will see this screen. You should only have one project, and that would be the COVID-19 project. So you're going to click on that. And once you've gotten into the project, you're just going to simply collect data and then create new record using the barcode that was taken from the subject. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that the record has been created, you're going to select an event, and for the purposes of this data collection, you will only need to access the baseline event. And I do want to stress here that there are several different instruments to use for data collection, but we are going to only be using the Jacksonville questionnaire and the informed consent form, these two at the very bottom. So you'll just click on the questionnaire. And once you're here, you can enter the barcode number again that should correspond with the record ID that was initially created. You're going to go through the form as you ask the participant the various questions here. The key informant would be someone who is helping to answer the questions for that subject. You can record name, address, everything is applicable. Male, white, and so as you go through the form, you're just going to be just selecting as needed. And at the very bottom, you're going to then select any of the three options: incomplete, unverified, or complete. This is just more of a coding. It's going to be red for incomplete, yellow for unverified, or green for complete. Most likely you'll want to just mark it completed, but if there was something that you wanted to go back to, you may want to mark it as incomplete or unverified if you would like someone to double check. Once complete, you're going to save and exit the form. You can proceed anyways if there's a field that's been blank. You may already have that information elsewhere. And then you can see here it's been marked complete, green, Jacksonville COVID questionnaire. And after that, you can access the informed consent. The informed consent is the same as paper. This is just a visual aid right here. you're going to enter patient name, last name. This would be the signature for the person obtaining consent. So you're just going to save signature. This would be for the signature from adult consenting for themselves. And these are just other fields if needed. If there's a legal representative and their relationship, you can fill that information in below. Once here, you can save and exit the form. And to show you the difference between when you are online connected to the VPN, it should look like this.